Welcome once more. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you're watching me. I remain the governor employer. Although broker script, this you can use this broker script to design a broker for yourself or for a customer. It's very easy, very sharp, very clear. It does not even take up to 10-15 minutes, at least latest 20 minutes. You're already through with your um website. And the good news about this website is that you have everything is working perfectly well. The investment plan, calculation, and in fact everything is working perfectly fine. There's no mistake, there's no difficulties in it. And one of the things that make me to love this particular script is that this one have OTP, whereby if someone want to withdraw after putting his money payment method, putting the amount you want to withdraw, the next thing you just have to do, you just have to put the uh, send an OTP, and the OTP have to go directly to the admin. There is the admin that will say, okay, yes, you can withdraw. So we send the OTP back to him through the tag talk, they will chat, or through email. It's very simple. Everything here is simple, fine, and perfect. And look at what I'm telling you. Just put your withdrawal account, select the method. After selecting it, after putting your amount, the amount you want to withdraw, you click on request OTP, then you put it there. After that, you withdraw. It's very good, very perfect. You can change the background from white to black and so on and so forth. And the one thing about it, the admin access is really perfect. It's great. And you can create an account. Let's just open it here. You can create an account, put the name, your email, your password, then just create an. It's very easy. The create account does not take time at all. And there is the admin room. On the admin room, you can approve a deposit, approve withdrawal. You can change your setting. You can change the name of your website and so on and so forth, email, SMS, and so on. So this website, just go. If you need a website like this or you want the script, you can just email me or WhatsApp me. I'm available.